Welcome to our comparison video, where we take a closer look at two popular portable washing machines, the BANGSON Compact Portable Washing Machine and the Portable Washing Machine. Both are designed for convenience and efficiency, but they cater to different needs. Let's dive into their features and see which one is the better choice for you. When it comes to washing capacity, the BANGSON Compact Portable Washing Machine offers a total capacity of 17.6 pounds, which includes 11 pounds for washing and 6.6 pounds for spinning. This makes it suitable for larger loads compared to the portable washing machine, which has a capacity of 15 liters. The BANGSON's larger capacity allows you to wash more clothes in one go, making it ideal for users with bigger laundry needs. Price is an important factor to consider. The BANGSON Compact Portable Washing Machine is priced at $139, which reflects its larger capacity and additional features. On the other hand, the portable washing machine is much more affordable at $78. If you're on a budget or only need to wash smaller items, the portable washing machine could be the better choice. In terms of washing power, the BANGSON features a spin speed of 1,700 revolutions per minute, which provides a more efficient drying process. This is particularly beneficial for users who want their clothes to dry faster. Conversely, the portable washing machine has a less powerful washing action and does not have a separate spin dryer, which may result in longer drying times for your laundry. In conclusion, both the BANGSON Compact Portable Washing Machine and the portable washing machine have their own strengths and weaknesses. If you prioritize capacity and washing power, the BANGSON is a solid choice. However, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly and portable option, the portable washing machine may be the way to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.